when hearts are torn and shadows fall. We're called to stand and heed the call to speak with love, to mend the fray, to walk the narrow, brighter way. Bound in love and bound in grace, we gather here, this holy place, where two or three in faith agree, there Christ is near to set us free.
With trembling words, we face the pain, to seek the lost, to heal the chain. Through humble hearts, the truth will rise, and mercy shines in tearful eyes. Oh, courage come, oh, fear be still, restore, redeem in sacred will. Bound in love and bound in grace, we gather here, this holy place, where two or three in faith agree, that Christ is near to set us free. Oh, Spirit, move like gentle rain, wash every wound, dissolve the stain. In prayer we rise, as one we stand, with Christ's own peace we'll heal.